Hi everyone, this is Amika. Welcome to Glittery Tales. If you are new here in my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and press the bell button for further updates. I post everything about makeup and beauty. So I created this soft glam pink look with just 3 products. Yes, you heard it right. Only these 3 products I have used for this makeup look. And you can pull up this super quick yet amazing makeup within just 5 minutes. And can wear this look in a festival or in a party or as a wedding guest too. And the product I have used in the video, I will mention the name along with the link in the description box. If you are interested to buy, then you can check there. And this is a series of festival sari looks I have started. The first one is Durga Puja Panchami look, which link I will put right up there and will mention in the description box too. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Golden Beige. Applying directly with the wand of the foundation. For that, I like this foundation so much, so easy to apply, and blending with a damn beauty blender. This foundation gives full coverage with matte finish look, which is very good for this sweaty weather and for mask. And the price is so reasonable. You can definitely go for this foundation if your skin is oily or combination. And applied a second layer of foundation under the eye area where I need more coverage as we are not going to use any concealer today. Our second makeup product is this L'Oreal Color Rich Matte Lipstick, which is just magical. We will going to use this lipstick on lips, as a lipstick on eyes as a eyeshadow, and as well as on the cheeks as blush. And the color of this lipstick is very pretty. It goes with every Indian skin so well. So first I am taking some of the lipstick on my hand and applying it on all over my eyelids with finger. You can use the brush also, but I prefer the finger more as it helps to blend easily. And applying a second layer till the crease line only. That will give a blended ombre effect. We'll do the same for the second eye also. First applying on all over the lid and then till the crease line. For the lower lash line, I am using a earbud, taking some lipstick with it and applying nicely to the lower lash line. Again, we're going to use this lipstick as a blush. For that, I am using a kabuki brush. And applying on the apple of the cheek. See how beautifully the lipstick has blended. I just love the shade. I will mention the shade name in the description box. You can check there. And we'll use the lipstick as a lipstick too. It's very good for mask as it is become matte after few minutes. And completing the look with a coat of my all-time favorite mascara, Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. With just one coat, it gives so voluminous, thick and long lashes. And a tip for you, while applying the mascara on the lower lash line, it can be messy. Just don't panic. Wait for the mascara to dry and then clean the lash line with a earbud. And there you got the clean mascara look. With that, our look is complete. Isn't it very easy and quick? I hope you like the video. If you do, please take a moment to like, share, comment and subscribe if you are new here. So see you soon with a new one. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.